Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, or whenever you're watching this. Today is week 1, day 3, right? Yeah, week 1, day 3. Sorry. I'm Mr. Roll, and I'm here with Miss Lee. We're trying to keep social distance while still staying in the frame of the camera. Anyway, for announcements for today, many of you should start noticing a difference in your lessons. The platform that we're using from lessons is changing, so we're no longer going to be shooting videos like this in front of the actual classroom. We're switching over to shooting videos on our laptops, just in case we all kind of get stuck at home where we have to stay home. Your teachers can continue teaching you your lessons. So you're probably going to be seeing that starting today, or maybe even tomorrow for most of us. All right, so it's time for us to do our joke of the day, and then on to our pledge. Miss Lee, take it away.
What do cats eat for breakfast?
I don't know, Miss Lee. What do cats eat for breakfast?
Well, mice. Crispies, of course. Kellogg's Mice Krispies.
Mice Krispies. Okay, Mice Krispies. Get it? That's cute. Get it? Because they're cats and they eat mice. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
All right. So go ahead and take it away. Let's do the pledge.
All right. You need to get the pledge.
Oh, you gotta tell little kids to turn and put it around.
All right, kids. So for those of you at home, make sure to take your hats and hoodies off. Stand at attention, please, with your right hand placed over your heart. Follow me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Lee. Let's go ahead and get to class. Later, guys.
Hi everybody, welcome to day 3, week 1. I'm Mrs. Kemi at W1D3 Academy, middle school teacher. Today we're going to go over our agenda. In 6th grade world history, we're going to continue the study of the Reformation with chapter 3, which talks about the Protestant religion and the spread of it in Europe. In vocabulary for 6th and 7th grade, I'm going to have you write sentences for each of your vocabulary words, and I will have them back on the board. In 6th and 7th grammar, and 7th and 8th grammar, we're going to look at irregular plural nouns, base plurals, and base endings. And of course, that will be with our friends at Khan Academy. And also with Khan Academy, Math Group 1 with Miss Alice will explore factors and multiples with a quiz, and then look at identifying prime and composite numbers. Math Group 2 with Mrs. Kemi will look at number opposites and have a quiz. Let's look at Europe. This is the area of France and Spain, and here's Germany. And next to it is this tiny little country in the Alps called Switzerland. And that's the area that we're going to talk about first today. And then we're going to move on down here to Italy. But I just want you to get a picture in your mind of the areas that we're talking about. Right here in the Mediterranean Sea. Italy is the country that's shaped like a boot, they say. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? And then this is Spain, which is another area we'll talk about in this series. Welcome back, day 3, week 1. I'm Mrs. Kemi. We're back here with 6th grade world history and the Reformation in ancient Europe and the spread of the Protestant religion. Chapter 3, the spread of Protestantism. This is part of our series on ancient European, the Reformation, the changing of the Catholic Church to the Protestant Church. And today I'm going to read from pages 112 to 123 in our book, and everyone can follow along with me as we read. I'm just going to read the introduction, and I'd like you to go back on your own and read the rest at home. Okay. And then we'll talk about each of these points and take some notes. All right? A second wave of religious reformation. Switzerland is southwest of Luther's Germany. This mountainous country's geography encouraged independence among its citizens. The rugged Alps made it difficult for others to conquer the Swiss. Hi guys, welcome to 6th and 7th grade vocabulary for day 3, week 1. Today we're going to write sentences using each of these vocabulary words properly. We know that a sentence starts with a capital letter, ends with some form of punctuation, has a predicate and a subject, right? Once again, I put the vocabulary words up here for those of you that didn't have a chance to copy them down. So anyway, with these assignments, why don't you just take a screenshot of your work and then email it to me at gchemmy@davincitree.academy.
How am I doing, Coach? Can they see me? All right. I'm here in outer space with Coach Fryer right now oh yeah, I should be like waving around a little bit to explain something for science. You see I'm bobbing? This is high quality effects here, kids. So, oh no, I'm actually filming, Miss Frank. That's okay. We're gonna keep on going. So, kids, if if I'm in outer space and I'm somehow magically alive and breathing because of negative pressure and no oxygen, whatever, there's no friction. I'm in a frictionless environment. Everything is floating. And here, I have a can of, what did I grab? Rust-Oleum Professional Marking Paint. All right. In outer space, where there is zero friction, if I have anything that weighs a kilogram, kids, for us Americans, a kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So I have this thing that weighs 2.2 pounds, okay? If I apply enough strength to this thing that I make it float away at a speed of 1 meter per second. Coach, can you grab me a meter stick? Wait, those are attached to the wall. We can't grab those off the wall. So if I throw this can, or if it's floating in space, I just have to like push it like that, okay? And if I push it at a rate of 1 meter per second, okay, here's my meter stick. As you can see, the meter stick is so large, it doesn't even fit in the frame of this video. It starts over here, goes all the way over here. I'm pushing this can at a rate of 1 meter every second in outer space where there is no friction. If I do that, then I have expended 1 Newton of strength, okay? So 1 Newton of strength is enough to force 1 kilogram of mass in a vacuum where there is no friction, 1 meter in a second. That might be super complicated. That's why I went through all the trouble of coming to outer space to explain this to you. Again, 1 meter per second for 1 kilogram of mass, and that strength, or that force is the wrong word, but that amount of magnitude of power, whatever you want to say, is 1 Newton, okay? That's a Newton. Newtons are complicated. Thank you.
Welcome back, everybody. We're going to go to Khan Academy again today for day 3, week 1, and Math Group 1 will be covering factors and multiples quiz. Then you'll follow up with prime and composite numbers. So remember to follow the instructions. You guys can do this. Have a great day.
Welcome back, everyone. This is day 3, week 1. This is group 2 math with Mrs. Kemi for those of you at grade level, probably grade 6. Today we're going to go over, with the help of Khan Academy, of course, number opposites, and then take a unit quiz. So follow the directions on the website. It'll take you through all of the instructions that Khan Academy has in place for you, and we'll see you back here.